In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go on to earning similar amount to how I earned right here just in one single day right now. And all you need to do to learn this strategy, which I'm going to reveal to you on how you can make money with CPA marketing, is to watch this video right here to the end and don't skip the video so as not to miss out on any important step or trick. And if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with AI tools. If you do like such content, go through my channel. You'll be able to see lots of videos which I actually do have for you, and you could actually watch those videos and that will help you boost your income online. You could also come right here, subscribe to my channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool and amazing videos that could boost your income online. So jumping right back into the video of today, the first thing which you actually want to do right now is to register for a platform like CPAGrip. And if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is kind of like affiliate marketing, where you just need to direct people to complete simple tasks right there. Or CPA marketing offers like signing up to a website, installing an application, submitting their email address or zip code, and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission. So basically you just need to direct people to do simple tasks like that right now and get paid right here. And this right here called CPAGrip is a CPA marketing platform you could go on to utilizing. If you click on register, you should be brought to a page such as this where you can actually sign up for this platform by providing your basic details to the fields having these red asterisk signs which you can see right now. You could skip out the field not having those signs, and you could just simply come right here, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes, and actually click on register now to get your account created. Once your account has been created, you can go on to login into your account. As you can see right now, I'm into my account, and to get to this page, come right here, select the offer tools, select my offers, and you should be brought to a page similar to this. But do take note that I'm promoting offers to the United States. You could filter offers to any country of your choice right now. I'm going to be utilizing the United States right now, and you can see some cool offers which I could go on to promoting. If I click on the payout right now, it's going to show me from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. You can see that most of these offers are actually kind of like giveaway offer. This is actually a $1,000 cash giveaway. This is a $100 giveaway towards Wingstop. This is actually $10,000 giveaway. This is a $10,000 giveaway. And you can see that most of these are actually giveaway offers right now. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to selecting one of these offers. Supposing I do select this offer right now, I'm going to be able to see more details about this offer. So right here guys, you can actually see that this offer is an Apple iOS offer and an email submit offer. What this actually means is that your leads actually need to be coming from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email and zip code while going through a survey using your link right now, and you do get paid $2.22 for every successful lead you do get right now. So this is actually a cool offer right now. All you need to do is to copy this link right now and head on to creating a simple landing page. You can actually create a landing page using this platform called Linktree and actually go on to listing multiple CPA marketing offers on your Linktree right now. You could use the breezy.io, the systemy.io, the Warrior Plus, or any other landing page builder site which you can grab hold of. If you want to know more about creating a simple landing page, head on to my channel. I have some videos that are actually dedicated for this purpose for you. All you need to do is to click on this search icon and actually go on to searching for a landing page. And if you do search for that right now guys, you'll be able to see some cool videos I created for you on how you could go on to creating a simple landing page. This one right here is for the Google site. This is for the systemy.io. You can actually go on to finding some right here. This is for Webflow, this is for Breezy Cloud, and these particular videos will actually help you go on to boosting or creating a simple landing page that can help you go on to boosting your conversions for your CPA marketing offers. So once you do create a simple landing page right now, all you need to do is to grab hold of the landing page link or that particular offer link and go on to promoting that on some cool platforms which I'm going to reveal to you right now. The first platform which you want to just simply promote this is on Twitter right now. So if you do head on to Twitter, all you need to do right now is to come on to this particular section which says explore. If you do click on explore guys, you want to just simply go to searching for stuff related to that kind of offer which you are promoting. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually search for need money on this particular section. So once I just search for that right now, I can actually do click on latest right here, and I'll be able to see a lot of people that are actually posting about needing money. This person says, I was shocked until I experienced it. They are just taking advantage of people who are desperately in need of money, and this person does not actually need money right now. You can see right here, this person is actually in need of money. All you need to do right now is to just simply go onto the comment section and actually reply this person's post right here by just simply telling them to something like, are you in need of money? Why not test your luck with this giveaway of $10,000? Here's the link right now. So once you actually do pasting something like this right here and comment this particular post, all you need to do is to go onto reposting that your comment right there on, or retweeting that your particular comment on your profile page right there, so that once people are actually in need, maybe scrolling through your profile page, they'll be able to see such type of comments and also go on to checking out that link. And the person right here that is actually in need of money can actually do see your reply and go on to clicking on the link to try that offer out, and they might actually be lucky to win this $10,000 right now. And if they're actually coming from the United States demographic, you're gonna get paid $2.22. So you can actually do this right now for that particular strategy on Twitter, and you can even go as far as other people's posts right here. As you can see, you'll be able to see a lot of other people that are actually in need of money right now. So try this out right now. You will also come right here to this particular section, and maybe you want to just simply go on to the advanced search setting to actually edit your searches, to maybe to get maybe to edit this particular section so that your search will actually be coming from a specific location. Maybe if I want to just simply get searches from the United States right now, I'm just going to select that particular location, and you can see right here, these are actually locations in the United States. You can actually target your searches to and actually go on to promoting your offer to that demographic. You could also go on to utilizing another platform like Reddit right now. And if you actually do come onto Reddit, all you need to actually do search for is giveaway right now. So if I just search for giveaway right now, as you can see, even without typing everything entirely, you can actually just see that there's actually some giveaway subreddits actually available right now. All you need to do is to select any of the subreddits, and you can actually do see right here, go on to following the rules right now to this subreddit right now. And all you need to do right here, as you can see, people are promoting links. You just need to come right here and actually create a post, and once you do click on create a post, you can actually go on to promoting that particular offer, just like how we did on Twitter right there. So utilize this right now and go on to as many subreddit and giveaway groups right now, which you can actually focus on, and go on to promoting your offers for absolutely free and get as much traffic as you can to your CPA marketing offer right here. So try this out and make money online. If this video was helpful, do smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.